Hello, hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone display and brightness setting, and today friends we will talk about phone sleep time guys. How can we change? Friends, we want to change guys your Oppo phone sleep time setting. How can you change and how can you use guys your phone sleep time setting? Today friends we will talk about in this video. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys we will search here guys display and brightness. So I will search here the display and brightness setting guys. Then guys tap here and then scroll it. Once you can see this auto screen of guys, tap here to change guys your phone sleep time. So guys we will change into a 15 second, and then how can we use the 15-second phone sleep time? So guys we will not click anywhere in our phone, we will not touch. After 15 second guys phone will sleep automatic guys. Wait and watch. And friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your brightness settings? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. So you can see my phone is going to sleep and sleep. So like that, we can change guys our phone sleep time. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.